Mastering the passive voice with will. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson. Today we're going to dive into a unique topic: using passive voice with will. This is a part of our intermediate grammar series focusing on the passive voice. So, get your notebooks ready because we're about to crack the code on this integral part of English grammar. Before we venture into using will in the passive voice, let's do a quick refresher on what passive voice is. Passive voice is when the focus is on the action and not who or what is performing the action. For instance, instead of saying, "The cat chased the mouse," active voice, we would say, "The mouse was chased by the cat," passive voice. Moving on, let's discuss the use of will in English grammar. Will is a modal verb used to express future actions or events. For example, "I will finish my homework tonight." Here, will is used to show a future action, which is finishing homework. Now, the heart of the lesson: combining will with passive voice. When we use will in the passive voice, we follow this structure: subject plus will plus be plus past participle of the main verb. This form is typically used to talk about future events where the focus is more on the action rather than who is doing it. For example, "The work will be completed by Friday." Here, the focus is on the work being completed, not who will complete it. Let's do some practice together to make sure we've got this down. Active: the chef will prepare the meal. Passive: the meal will be prepared by the chef. Active: the manager will approve the reports. Passive: the reports will be approved by the manager. Remember, the focus in passive sentences is on the action and not who is doing it. And there we have it. You've now learned how to use will in the passive voice, a key part of mastering English grammar. Don't worry if it feels a bit challenging at first. Practice makes perfect, so keep using this new structure in your English conversations and writing. You'll soon find it becoming second nature. As always, keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!